To limit internet speed or Wi-Fi user in TP-Link router. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you limit internet speed of Wi-Fi user in TP-Link router. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, you need to access the router's web management interface. So go to your browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in the prompt, that is http:// you want to type in 192.168.0.1. Once you type in that, it's going to take you to the official page, or you could actually find the user admin interface. So this is going to take you to the page. So here you want to go ahead and either tap on this link, and once you click on it, it's going to take you to the next field. So there, what you have to do is using the router's username and password, usually found on the router sticker or in the manual. After which, once logged in, look for a section labeled bandwidth control or QoS, quality of service, in the router's interface. Some router might have it under advanced or tools. So after which, check the box to enable the feature. Determine that the maximum upload and download speed for the network. Click on add new or similar option to create rules of a specific device or IP range. Specify the IP address or range of a device you want to control. Choose a protocol, that is TCP, UD or AOL. And then set a maximum upload limit for a specified IP range or devices. Then set the maximum download speed for a specified IP range or devices. After which, if you have a guest network enabled, you could also limit its bandwidth through a bandwidth control settings. So for that, you want to go to settings or advanced and wireless connections, then click on guest network. So this is how it's gonna work out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.